Hi, I'm Joanna, and today Damon is going to be reviewing these foldable and reusable plates.
Hi, I'm Damon, and I'm going to be reviewing these portable foldable dining plates. When you get the package, they come in a set of 12. It's just going to be a clear little package that holds 12 of these. They're easy to put together, easy to clean, very convenient. You can store them almost anywhere because they're like super thin. But yeah, let's show you what they look like. Alright, so when you guys are putting these together, this is going to be the inside. So you'll want to fold it in like this. And it makes like a little bowl shape. Just like that. So you'll have the flaps on the inside and it's like round. Just like that. So these are very convenient. You can put food in them. You put water. I put water in this one so you can see. But yeah, we can use these for your dogs, food, water bowls. Very convenient for traveling. So let's talk about cleaning these. So if you want to clean them, you just take them apart, right? Get a little water. So just on the soft side, just wash it. Like, it's super easy. And you can just go put it to the side and let it dry off. But these are super convenient, easy to use, fold away, great for like camping. So when it comes to these plates, I would highly recommend them. They're very versatile. You can use them for all sorts of things, from dogs to food, for snacks. They're great for if you're traveling, little dish for like in the car. They're easy to store away, or if you're camping, or if you're just at home and just want to have a little bowl for a snack and you don't really want to have like a bunch of dishes, you can just make these. But yeah, these are very convenient. I like them. They're easy to clean. I would highly recommend it.